All right, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just kind of see where we're headed, what future moves we could possibly see. Um, so I've been monitoring Bitcoin, and I kind of got this wave count going to where I think I have it down pat. I think I think we're about to be in a wave five, and what I was seeing was if you look at the whole correction, you have an a three move up B, and then you have um, a 1, 2, 3 sideways chop 4, and then you have your 5, which would be the complete move of the ABC. And so then usually after an ABC correction, what do we have? We got a wave 1, and then we get a wave 2, which wave 2 can't go below the C correction. So if it goes below the C correction, this wave structure is invalid. Um, if we use some of the retracement here, we can see that it went, to the point of below the 0.786 retracement level, almost at a double bottom. But that's kind of how they scared you, right? They put the sneaky wave 1 in. And then they got you on this wave 2. A lot of people were panicking like, oh, Bitcoin's below 30K, and then boom, we have the most powerful wave, right? In wave theory, which is wave 3. It's a face ripper. A lot of people didn't expect it at all. Um, but now we're in wave 3, and now we kind of finally got this pullback. Another way you can tell we're in wave 3, or we just completed a wave 3, is the wave 1 extension. So the wave 1 extension is the technical level. It's the technical level for wave 3. So it can go past it, but um, it's in the books. It's supposed to hit this extension. So the extension was 41,582. It pretty much nailed that zone for the wave 3. So that's why I think we're in a wave 4 pullback. And if you kind of look on the 4-hour chart, gives you a little bit better. So I put the retracements on this wave 3. Usually wave 4s typically retrace to these two levels. So 0.236 and then a 0.382. Wave 4s are shallow. That's why I think, if we can't hold this level, we're going to flush out to 37.5, and then we're going to be off to the races with their wave 5. And another thing is, this wave 4 can't, for it to be a wave 4 and to think we're not in a correction, it can't go past the wave 1 high, right? So 36,616 is the absolute lowest it can go if this is a wave 1, right? Um, there's a lot of ifs in wave theory, unfortunately, but if this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, but we have very high probability based on technical um, levels. And so that's why I think we're in a wave 3, and a lot of people are calling Bitcoin to go down, back down, retrace a little deeper. They think this is a wave 1. I don't think this is a wave 1. I think this is the wave 1. This was the wave 2. And now we hit a huge wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to about 47, 46K. 4-hour MFI is oversold, right? So that gives us a higher probability, right? I'm not gonna say it could shoot up, it could go lower, but a higher probability that this thing is, it's super bullish right now. Um, Higher probability we're going higher. And then, kind of if it hits this level, let's just say that, let's say we hit this level here. It goes all the way up to 46, 47K. I expect this whole wave cycle, this whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to be a higher wave 1. So this is what I'm talking about. So when I say so there's like different wave cycles, right? And in wave theory, so you got like you have this wave one, but you can have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this wave one, right? And then you can have ABC correction in the wave two. Then you can have in this wave three that we just see as a straight line. If you go into the lower time frames, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I think that's the same thing that's happening here, but on the daily, right? We're going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then that's ultimately going to be a bigger wave one. So if we see, let's see if we hit, let's just say we hit, actually wait, no. All right, let's just say we hit 47K. Let's just do it 47K. This would ultimately be a huge wave one. So after it hits 47K, I could see it dropping back down to 35.60, 35.632. The higher the Bitcoin goes, the higher the retracement levels are going to be, though. So this is just a super conservative case, and I think that once whatever wave 5 that we hit in the next 5 days, we're going to go into the A, the B, and then probably down to the C, and then we'll bounce off and make our little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave higher, probably back up to all-time highs. This is just the base. We're basing right now. We're hitting a good foundational base for Bitcoin for us to launch even higher into the third and fourth quarter. But that's kind of what I got on Bitcoin right now. Yeah, right now I'm thinking it's gonna hang around this level, and then once volume picks up, it's gonna shoot up. It might drop back. It might hit a catapult flush where it flushes down to 37 overnight, and then hits up to wave 5. But yeah, these are 2 levels I see right now. And if it's invalidated, can't go past 36, 620. So that's what I see in Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is just different right now. It's just different. So I think the same thing happened with Ethereum as happened with Bitcoin. Um, we've had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't even know if that's a red. We're going to count that as a green. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th. I think that's a red one, but 13 days of just steady up. And look at it today. High volume. EIP news is really helping Ethereum. But same thing. Let's do it. We had our ABC, or we had our let's see what up. Yep. So we had our A here. I can't tell. It's so close. So I think we had an A here, and then we had our B. Chop, chop, chop. C. I have to go into the smaller time frames to see this. To see if it actually. I think this was. I can't see. Okay, yeah, so this was the low. This was the absolute low. That's what I got. Okay, so yeah, this was the absolute low. And then I think this was the wave 1. So I'm gonna tee it up for y'all real quick. Hold up. So I think this was our 1, and I think this is our 2 because we didn't go below the C correction, right? But we pretty much triple bottomed. And now we're in our wave 3. And now I think the wave 3 target is this 28.48. I think we still got a little bit more juice left, not goose, juice. We'll have our wave 4, and then we'll have our wave 5. And it's good to see that Bitcoin is leading though. As you can tell, I've already got Bitcoin already down to the wave 4 and about to do 5, and Ethereum's still just on this wave 3. So it just shows that Bitcoin's leading. It's always leading. Ethereum's just lagging behind, which is a good thing in my opinion. So let's just say, for reference, we do some retracements. So let's just say Ethereum goes to 2848, and we'll take the retracements. The retracements of wave 3, which is the wave 2 low to the wave 3 high. I can see retracements if it went to 2848 to 2415 and 2580. It'll come back down in this range, consolidate, and then wave 5 higher, and then that will be the wave 1. That won't. I mean, that's gonna be a bigger wave 1. Because on the weekly, that's what I'm seeing. Wave 1, the weekly, you can time out. But like I said, like on the weekly, if this was like a wave 1, on the daily, you can see, that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes that wave 1. And then if you went down to the 4 hour, the 1 hour, you can continuously wave within a waves, wave inception. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for Bitcoin and ETH. I'm trying to think of anything else. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar's still struggling. Broke out of the ascending wedge. I think that's it. Square. I mean, Square is going right along with Bitcoin and ETH. Huge volume. I think earnings got leaked, and they bought some company. I didn't really read into it, but it's going to go to 283. I still don't know the wave count on this. It's so confusing because it's so like, okay, so this may be a ABC. Was this a 1 and then it retraced down to 2, 3? It's just, I don't know. What's this wave 3? Maybe this wave 3 will help me. Because if this is a wave 1, right? Dude, I mean, we're talking 331 is the wave 3 target, which it could very well do if it breaks 283. I'm just mad I couldn't get this wave count earlier. I don't know. But, let's see. So, another thing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know if y'all follow this or not, but apparently on full moons, cryptos are bullish. On new moons, cryptos are bearish. So, the full moon started July 23rd. So we started this bull run on July 21st, and I mean it's not always like to the point accurate, but apparently the new moon is August 8th, so that's where I have this leading up to. I think we have one more leg up until August 8th, which is the new moon, and then we'll start heading down to our wave 2, and then we'll go higher. But it's just weird how all the full moons and the new moons line up with like the bottoms and the tops. Just a weird little thing I saw regarding crypto that I've kind of applied recently. Let's look at BTC stock to flow real quick. Plan B. Oh, look at there. People thought the S2F models were going to be invalidated because it was going to bounce, and Bitcoin did bounce. So I think we'll go, to at least a little bit over the stock flow model, which is, roughly around 100K. Look at price projections, and then where's the long-term power law? We're still, boom, look at that bounce. We bounce it. We're going to the purple trend line, hopefully. Everything's bouncing. Everything's looking good. Let's look at cycle repeat. So it's got it going to 171 as the top. This thing fluctuates all the time, but it's still cool to kind of see where, it takes all the data from past cycles and puts it all on this. And so let's see, in August, August 2nd. August 2nd. Wait, what is, hold on. So is this where's the is this the projected price? I thought it was like a real price and then a projected price. I don't know. Okay, so anyways, let's see, August 3rd, August 3rd. So it has it going down a little bit. Wait, price at the end of the day. Going down and I don't even know about what this is. Wait. I can't tell if this is the future models or if this is just the current price. It usually has the current price with the future models. Maybe if you're backdating it. Let's see. No? What? This is different. I could have sworn it had. Oh wait, here it is. Actual price. Okay, so what I'm looking at is future. Okay, so they're expecting. I mean, they're expecting a little dip. This thing is, yeah, dip down to 28. It's not happening. And then it's going to parabolic, which I think the dip is going to be, like I told you, I think the dip is going to be once it hits this wave 2 right here. So that's probably the dip that it's trying to predict is this wave 2 down to, what was it? I said, I mean, if it reached 47 down to 35.9. So I mean that's a pretty, from 47 to 35.9, people are gonna be like, oh god, it's gonna be in a bear market. No, it's just a regular retracement um, of a wave 1 high. So and then we'll go higher. So the hodlers will win. Be patient. Price action tells a lot of the story. So, but that's all I got for y'all. I got another vid coming up. I'm gonna do Tesla, PLTR, and Qs. Peace.